So imagine you have opened a store, you have put your ad out there, and people are clicking, clicking, clicking. But what's the problem? They are not buying. It's likely you have opened a store and people are walking through door, but no one is buying anything from you. So what you should do? So this is the question I got from a Amazon brand owner, that I am running ad on a single product and I have got over 80 to 100 clicks, but no conversion. I should keep running the ads or just pause it altogether? The short answer is it depends. But don't worry, um I'll go over this and break it down for you. So that will be super easy for you to understand. So if you are running ads on a single product with over 80 to 100 clicks but no conversion, you should keep running ads. So let's go over. First of all, you have to focus on the keyword. First thing you need to do is look at your keywords. Think of keywords as road signs directing customers to your product. If you have a keyword that is getting over 100 clicks but no sales, it's likely a road sign pointing a dead end. That keyword isn't working, so you might want to pause or lower your bid to save your budget for better performing keyword. For example, if you are selling a blue running shoes, okay, blue running shoe, and you have got the keyword sport shoes, that's pulling in clicks but no one is buying. B- uh, because like it is actually really broad. Okay, I hope you can understand with my beautiful writing. But oops, that's pulling clicks but not no one's buying. It could mean your product doesn't match what people are looking for. So maybe it's time to tweak the keywords to something more specific, like blue running shoes, because it is more specific. And in order, if you want to get good conversions and make your advertising profitable, you are most likely to make it profitable through specific keywords, long tail keywords. Okay, you should focus on specific keywords, Mm. like this one, because this one is vague. It is so vague. Like everything can fall. So many shoes can fall into this place. So focus on the keyword, which is it relevant to your product, is it specified, and if you think, okay, like maybe it's not converting right now, maybe it will convert in the future, you can just lower your bid. I would recommend, first of all, instead of pausing your bid on this keyword, you should lower the bid first, like up to 25 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. And even if after doing that you are not getting any result, you can just pause it altogether. Okay, so this is the third one. Let's go over the second one. And analyze each keyword separately. Now if you have multiple keywords, like I recommend to have 5 to 10 keywords in single campaign, single ad group. You can just throw them all into the same basket. You have to look at them one by one. Some keywords might be doing great while others are just wasting your money. For example, blue running shoes might be bringing in clicks, but red running shoes might not be converting at all. This is when you get into details. Check the system and analyze click through rates for each keyword. The goal is to optimize and make sure your ads are showing up for the most relevant and profitable searches. So, like how I'm seeing this question as, like, for example, if this seller is running multiple keywords in single campaigns and it got 100 clicks, so maybe one or two keywords or three keywords are getting most amount of clicks and rest of them are not even being utilized enough, not getting visibility enough. For example, like top 3 are getting 20, 30, 50 clicks, okay, and rest of them are getting 5 to 10 clicks. So it is not a good strategy to pause all of those keywords who didn't get a chance to prove themselves. So go after each keyword and see whether they are performing good or not, whether they are aligned with your product or not. So this uh, point means keyword is equal to CTR. So click through rate, we can say. So analyze your keyword with click through rate, because it is showing whether the customer searching with that specific keyword or specific search term is clicking on your product or not. If they are clicking more with that specific search term which you chose, the keyword which you chose, that means your product is relevant to the keyword, but somehow maybe there is something in your product detail page which is not convincing them to buy. So you must analyze your search term report. If you cannot analyze it by yourself and cannot identify, you are busy or you actually just don't know how PPC works, you can schedule a call with me. Adjust bid and budget based on what you find. You can either pause underperforming keywords or adjust the bids for better performing ones. Imagine you are bidding $2 for a keyword that's just not working. Drop it to a lower amount, or even better, pause it completely. That way you are not wasting money on click that don't lead to sales. Exactly. But you do it after this second point. Okay, just do not go and pause all of your keywords like this, because without analyzing you are like uh, throwing throwing arrows blindly. And it's a business. You cannot do things blindly without making decisions, analyzing the data. So if you do that, you will your instantly your visibility, uh, impressions, your visibility will go down, traffic will go down. So when people are not seeing your product, how they will buy your product? Do you understand my point? So just do not pause it right off the bat. I would recommend, first of all, number one, you should do is drop it to a lower amount. And if you think, okay, this is not working, you can pause it 100%. But it is only for those keywords which are relevant to your product. Which are not relevant, you can pause it right away and allocate your budget to the keywords which are relevant to your product, so your advertising can become profitable. Test different strategies. Sometimes no matter how much you optimize, it's worth testing a new approach. Try reviewing ad copy, switching up to product image to make it more attractive. Maybe your ad just isn't connecting with your audience. It's all about continuous testing and improvement. So my meaning from ad copy is to your your ad image. Oops. Instead of ad copy, I'm saying ad image or video. So for example, if keyword is not working in sponsor product campaign, or you can test it out in sponsor video campaign and make your creative good enough so it can actually start getting traction. So optimize, see, use different approach, do A/B testing. It will help you to gather more data, and you can analyze, and you can start getting conversion. So, and if you need better results, like in last 7 days, you can see from 27th July to August 3, by spending $3,000 on Amazon ads, I have helped them generated $10,000 in sales. You can book a call, link in the description. And in last 30 days, from July 4th to August 3, I have helped them generated by spending $12,000. We have generated $38,000 in sales. So you need these kind of PPC results. Link in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's hop on a call. Have a great day. Bye bye.